You got your bear spray? Okay, good. Don't fuck around in the audience, all right? Jill has her bear spray. All right. Jill, we have a special thing happening here tonight for Jill. It's called a living wake. Now, who wants to miss their own funeral, right? What a wonderful thing. It's a great party. All your friends come and say nice things about you. I mean, hell, if you were there, you might not have killed yourself. So we're going to try to have a living wake here for Jill. And we got a nice, comfortable coffin here. AJ made it for her today. Let's give a big hand to AJ, helping make the sets all happen here behind the scenes. Thank you. All right. Jill, what do you got here? All right, tequila and some shot glass. Oh, and here we go, and some cards and pencils. So here's the thing. Kelly brought those. Isn't that nice? Yeah. So please just come up here, write a nice thing about Jill on one of these cards.
It's about Wonder Valley. It's not that Wonder Valley's dead. It's the old Wonder Valley. The palm, not here. It's just...
But it is kind of a living dead thing right now, right? Palms is kind of like a zombie in a way. We all are. Things are changing.
And it's not going to be the same way. The old Wonder Valley's not going to be here.
You're making me sad. You're making us all cry, Jill.
Write something. I don't know. The last 2 memorials I did about actual dead people here. And I'm not dead as of now. But you get a shot of tequila if you write something down.
All right, so if you want a free shot of tequila, come write a nice thing about Jill or a nice thing about remembrance of Wonder Valley past. Is that acceptable? Write whatever you want. If you write anything on one of these cards, you'll get a free shot of tequila. Where are you going to find? All right, who's first? Paul, you're first. Come on up, write your card, and put it in there. Listen, you all can do this throughout the show. There's no time limit on it.
Thanks, Kevin.
Okay. Wonderful. Perfect. Oh, look, here you go. Right. Oh, people are lining up. That's great. Line up. I love it. Sasha, those skates are amazing. They light up. Sasha, how long have you been living in the high desert?
Since last May, so
1 year. 1 year? And are you ready to open your own skate palace yet? Yeah? Okay, amazing. Matt's not here, is he? Not yet. Okay, you might have a skater join you. Well, you look incredible. I'm really jealous of your skills. Anytime I try to stand on wheels, I break my tailbone. I don't know what that's about. But I really am in deep admiration of anyone who can do that. Oh, yeah? Okay, well, go see Jill for a shot of tequila over there. I'm going to move this. It's kind of in the way. We don't want to have any accidents here. Got to keep it safe. Okay. Wonderful. Kate, would you like to do a little something for us? Yes, you. Everyone, please give a big round of applause for Kate Short.